In today's video, I'll show you how to use DSers with Shopify. First, open your browser and go to the DSers website. Log in with your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. On the platform selection page, click the Shopify icon. A new tab will open, taking you to Shopify. Click Install and then Authorize to connect DSers with your Shopify store. Once connected, you can browse products from suppliers like AliExpress and import them into your DSers import list. Customize product details like titles, descriptions, variants, and pricing to match your brand. When customers place orders on Shopify, DSers automatically syncs them to your open orders list. You can easily track order progress and delivery status, keeping your store organized and efficient. And that's it. You're ready to manage and automate your Shopify store with DSers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.